James with Dreamscapes. Listen to this song this pondless water feature sings. Okay, that should do it. Now, 2 block, media block, and vault here. I think that'll be enough for a 12-foot run. Our bottom water basin, or our pit, is complete. And so all we have to do now is run our 2-inch flexible line up to here, where our waterfall will start right about here. The key challenge of this waterfall is to make it look natural while having waterfalls go in different directions so that everyone in this area can have a view of the splashing water. This is our first pondless waterfall that's going to come into this area here. About 12 feet long. It's going to have multiple viewpoints. And then as you back up, we have another waterfall that's going to start here and go down about 24 feet that way. So, this dreamscape is coming true.